Good day, everybody. How are you all? This is Dr. Nandi. Today we are going to talk about Excel hypothesis test for two paired sample means. So I'll share my computer screen with you. As an aid for improving student study habits, 9 students were randomly selected to attend a seminar on the importance of education. The table shows the number of hours each student studied before and after attending the seminar. At alpha equal to 0.1, did attending the seminar increase the number of hours per week? Okay, so our, let's say 1 is equal to before attending the seminar and 2 is equal to after attending the seminar. Okay. 2 is equal to after. Okay. So our null hypothesis is, of course, mu1 equal to mu2. And the alternate hypothesis is the one that we want to test is mu1, which is before, is less than mu2. Okay, let's let mu1 minus mu2 is equal to mu d, which is the mu1 minus mu2 is equal to mu d. Okay, which is the difference in the population means. In the two population means. Now, then our null hypothesis H0 is mu d equal to 0 and HA mu equal to mu d less than 0, because supposedly the number of hours studying increased after attending the seminar. So mu2 is greater than mu1, or mu1 minus mu2 is less than 0. So less than 0. Okay. So this is my set of my alpha is 0.10. Okay. So I'm going to use the inbuilt data analysis tool pack in Excel, and I have a video which shows how to incorporate or how to activate the data analysis tool pack in Excel. Every Excel has the data analysis tool pack. You just have to activate it. So I'll click on I'm in the data screen. I'll click on the data analysis tool pack, and I will use tools t-test paired two sample. These are paired because the same students before and after attending the seminar. Hence, this is a paired two sample for means. Sometimes it is called dependent sample t-test. Okay. Anyways, in Excel, they call it paired two sample for means test. Okay. Let's click OK. Then it asks for variable 1 range, which I will highlight is from A. So let's go and erase this. So it's from A4 through A18. A13, sorry. And after we will clear this and we will highlight the after as variable 2. It's from B4 through B13. Hypothesized mean difference, well, in the null hypothesis, the hypothesized mean difference is 0. And then we click on labels because the first row before and after the labels, my alpha is 0.1. And I can do the, say I do from N4 in this Excel spreadsheet itself. My output will come starting from cell N4. Okay, and hit enter. Oh, they got into the new anyways. So let's highlight what they're saying. Okay. So the mean before is 10.44, mean after is 13.44. The variance values are calculated too. There are 9 observations. 9 observations in each before and after. Hypothesized mean difference is 0. Degrees of freedom is 10. Why? Because in degrees of freedom is 8. Why? Because 9 observations, 9 minus 1 is 8. And the test statistic came out as minus 2.683. And the p-value for a test statistic as extreme as minus 2.68 is 0.0138. So if I go back over here, oh no, sorry. Why did it? Yeah. No. Okay. So my p-value is 0.01. So p-value is 0.01 is equal to 0.01. P is less than alpha. So decision is reject 80. Reject 80. And conclusion is at alpha is equal to 0.10. There is enough evidence to support HA, which states mu1 is, that is before population mean, is less than mu2 after, which is after attending the seminar. So people are studying more after attending the seminar. Okay. Let me see if I can do this in this calculation. So if I click on data analysis and t-test pair 2, and I do not want a new, I want an output range from N3 set. Okay. In this Excel spreadsheet itself. And here we get it on the same. So here you see the mean for before is 10.4, after is 13.4. The two variances are shown, each observation 9 points, before 9 and after 9, because it's a paired test. Same students before attending the seminar and after attending the seminar. They're linked together, they're paired. And we are looking for hypothesis mean difference is, of course, 0. Degrees of freedom is 8 because 9 minus 1. Test statistic is minus 2.68. And p-value is 0.013, which I stated here. P-value is 0.013. P-value is less than alpha. Alpha is 0.1. Decision reject 80. That means that alpha equal to 0.1. There is enough evidence to support HA, that is mu1 before is less than mu2 after. I will stop here today. If you have any question, comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you like this video, please share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'm coming back every day with new problems, new solutions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And please check out my channel where I have solved all kinds of math problems. Thanks. See you later. Have a nice day. Take care.